I'm now going to move on to melody writing. Just like when you come into your mind an idea for lyrics, also sometimes you just start to hear a melody in your head, and that's not something somebody really teaches you. I couldn't give someone a melody as much as I could tell them what to dream tonight. But when that melody comes into your head, make sure that you record it somehow in your phone or digital recorder, somehow document it. Then you have this melody, but a lot of times people just get stuck with a short phrase. So I'm going to talk about how to develop your melody further in your song. When we say melody, usually we think of either the main vocal line in a tune, or it could be an instrumental line in a melody, could be the main riff of a song that people remember. So whether it's sung or whether it's played by an instrument, it's something that's going to stand out. So a lot of times after you get your original idea, most of the time it's a melody, which is just notes with a rhythm. And so a rhythm with a melody becomes a motif. Now if I just play, for example, I'm just going to play a C scale backwards. And I say, well, everyone knows that song. And that sounds like a C scale. Well, the rhythm is really important. Now it sounds like a Christmas carol. So putting the rhythm is as much important as the actual melody you write. Now I'm going to play three kinds of melodies, three kind of melodic shapes, if you will. One is going to be on or around just one note, and I'm going to use the C scale. Okay, the C major scale, which is a series of whole steps and half steps in a pattern. And I'm going to stay on that scale for this example. So I'm going to take a melody on or around one note, and these examples will be on site for you to see. This is a linear shape melody. Here it is, just the notes. Now I'm going to put some rhythm to that. So on or around one note. So I'm planting the seed of my melody. I'm getting a motif. Now I'm going to do a circular shape. That's scale-wise, up or down the scale. I almost call it like a roller coaster shape. Okay, and now I'm going to do a square shape, or a jumps in intervals, which is the distance between two notes. So I'm going to do a square shape. So that would be a motif on a square shape. Now, what I can do with these, if I just repeat the pattern of the melody, I'm doing repetition. So I'm just going like this. But I can sequence that melody and start it on a different note of the same scale. Usually after 3 times, you want to take a pause.